Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. So in this lecture, we'll study our third unit in data science, which is exploratory data analysis. In this video, we'll cover how to construct a bar graph with overlay using Python, how to construct contingency table using Python, how to construct histograms with overlay using Python, how to perform binding based on predictive value using Python. So let's start our video. Okay, so first we'll understand what is overlay. Overlay analysis in data science is a technique that combines data from multiple sources to create new information. It can be used to find locations that meet certain criteria, such as areas that are suitable for a particular user use or at risk. Now we'll understand what is a bar graph. So, bar graphs are basically the pictorial representation of data, generally grouped data in the form of vertical or horizontal rectangular bars, where the length of bars are proportional to the measure of data. They are also known as bar charts. Bar graphs are one of the means of data handling in statistics. It is a method which is used in statistics. Now we'll understand our code. So first we have import the libraries NumPy and Matplotlib. Here we have the data in which a categorical field A, B and CD and the particular count 1 and count 2 seconds of particular data like A1 have read the first count for 10 seconds, B 20, C 15 and D 25 and in the second count 12, 18, 22 and 19 respectively. Now creating positions for the categories and the width of bars, like what width we want for a bar. Now plotting the bars with overlay, like you can see the bar 1 and bar 2 here. Now setting the x text and labeling categories on the x-axis. Now we'll see the bar graph. So now you can see that the A1, the bar graph, the A field has read the first count for 10 and the second one for 12, and see the B, it is showing the relationship between the A data and the and its particular time limit for which he have read the data. Now we'll move forward to contingency table. Okay, so what is a contingency table? A contingency table is a data table that compare two variables in the contingency table. One data set is populated in rows while the other data set is populated in columns. Values of the cells where the rows or column intersect can suggest whether or not the twos are correlated. Now we'll see the contingency table code. Wait a minute. Yes, so first we have imploded. So now we have imported the library pandas and we have example data where the gender male, female, female, male have respective choice yes, no, yes, no, yes. Now by the panda object in the data frame we have created the contingency table by the cross tab function. So after running the code, as you can see that our contingency table has been delivered by the Python engine. In this, you can see the number of females which have said no is 1, and the number of female that have said yes is 1, and the male that said no is 1, and the male that said yes is 2. So this is showing the relationship between our two datas, one in the row and the column. The row we have gender male and female, and in the column we have choice no and yes. So now let's move forward to histogram. A histogram is a chart that plots the distribution of a numeric variable's value as a series of bars. Each bar typically covers a range of numeric values called a bin or class. A bar's height indicates the frequency of data points with a value within the corresponding bin. Now, let's see the our histogram code by using overlay. First, we have imported the libraries NumPy and matplotlib, and we have example data, data1 and data2. This is the basically the frequency which we have: 50, 10, 100, 55, 12, 100. Now we have plotted the histograms, histogram 1 and histogram 2. As we can run the code, so you can see we have data 1 in the lavender color and the data 2 in the skin color. This is a histogram of the two bars. Now moving forward to the binding. Binding is a data pre-processing technique that groups numerical data into bins or categories. Binding can be used to reduce the effects of minor observation errors, create categorical predictors, and understand and prepare data. Now we'll see our binding Python code. First, we have to import the pandas library, and we have example data in which a person having age 22 has income 30,000, a person having age 25 has income 40,000, a person having age 35 has income 50,000, a person having age 40 has income 55,000, and a person having age 50 having income 70,000. So by performing the binding on the age group, we have made four bins of 20, 30, 40 and label them as 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And after that printing the df. Now we'll run the code. So now you can see that the binding based on predictive value, like the data is grouped, like the person having age 22 is grouped into age 20 to 30, a person having age 25 is also grouped in 20 to 30, a person having age 35 is grouped into 30 to 40, a person having age 40 is grouped into 30 to 40, and a person having age 50 is grouped into 40 to 50. So this method is useful when we have to group the similar data, so we can use the binding method. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.